When I got to the school and I got the club, it was kind of step into a role that I was unfamiliar with, and I was afraid that I wasn't going to do it justice. I was worried about the 4-H club not living up to that name because I didn't know what it was to be a 4-H club. I am very grateful for the extension that they take that side of that. It's very important for me to bring to the middle school something that creates community.
We have an awesome partnership here with Brooke County Schools, and one of the projects that we work on is our Brooke Middle School 4-H Club. We had over 30 youth here today that were part of our 4-H club, learning, having this experience and being a part of the garden project. Just working with the kids, teaching them how to plant those plants, and having that realization that wow, they've never planted a plant before.
So the kids get to prepare, as you can see, everything from, covering, digging, to planting. A lot of kids, I think they go home, they don't really get a chance to do a lot of things after school. Well, they can stay for a couple hours here, we feed them, we do some kind of icebreaker like we did the yoga today. We do lots of games. It just gives the kids an opportunity to do some outside stuff, a little bit more mingling maybe than you can in school.
It's been interesting because I've been taught a lot of new things from them. Like learning about how tomatoes will rot if you'll pull the bottom, the stems from them. We are planting food like tomatoes, zucchini, cabbage. We have three-legged races. I wanted to help my community. It just makes people smile and makes people happier.
It's really important to foster the relationships that we have with the school system and with community members. We started this right around the time they built the school. Maybe the year later, we had finalized plans to put in the garden with the principal here and with the administration.
We have a great partnership. We do all kinds of stuff with the extension, and this to come out here and get the students out here interested in farming and gardening and different things, it's just a great opportunity. That's our major goal, is just to provide opportunities for students. And this is just another way to do that.
We do a lot of programs here at different schools in Brooke County. It ranges from Lego robots to computer coding to health and substance abuse prevention classes, health rocks classes. So, it's really important to be able to offer that kind of stuff to the community and to the school system.
Not everybody is an athlete or, has a place after school. I think that the 4-H club is important because it gives all the kids the opportunity to be part of something bigger than just them. They can be a good friend. They can be, in a service project. They can do things for the community around them. And I hope that I can give them the tools that now and later in life, that they are a positive force for all of the people that they encounter.